So I'm not sure if you've ever met my husband or his father who spawned him. I left them alone for an hour and a half today, and I came home, and this is what's left in my kitchen. Well, that's where the island was.
So in this particular case, this project was way beyond what I have time for. However, I did save myself $400 by doing the demo of this island myself. So if you're wondering what the larger project here is, we hired a contractor to replace all of the floor in our laundry room, our half bath, dining room, kitchen, and our sunroom. They're replacing the exterior door of the sunroom. They're putting an entirely new island in with a downdraft vent hood and a new range. Now we bought the vent hood and the range. I modified the vent hood in a previous video. So I actually did this demo back in mid-April. I'm temporarily wiring up an outlet for the oven and a regular outlet for plugging in other appliances. This is partly due to safety, but partly due to functionality. I'm editing this video at the beginning of September, and our island was just finished. So we used this temporary setup all summer long. Considering we spent the latter half of this past winter without an oven at all, I'm perfectly happy to have this temporary setup. Here, my dad is just fabricating a temporary cover-up for the downdraft air pipe. We were afraid that the kids would start dropping toys and whatnot into this pipe, and it would be a nightmare to get them back out. Here is the ceremony of the first thing we baked in our new oven. Ooh, very exciting. So the original oven in the island died right after Christmas. Here we are making the first thing in an oven in 4 months. We were ecstatic. So if you watched my video a few months ago where I reversed where the air comes into this downdraft vent hood, I was hoping to put a shot in that video of where and how this thing works, but there was delays in getting the building material. So now you can kind of see how it works and why I had to reverse the direction of where the air sucks in. Now the air sucks in on what is the backside of this vent hood, so it's drawing the air off the cook surface. Thanks for watching.